Dear students, Namaste. Today is our 20th class of class 6. So I think, I hope that whatever you had studied before this, I think you are learning at home. And dear students, see here, actually, states of matter. We will discuss today states of matter. We know matter exists in three states. Matter exists in three states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. First one is solid, liquid, and gas. First we will discuss about solid. Okay. Solid are hard and rigid substances. Solid are hard and rigid substances. This is hard. Hard and rigid. Rigid substances. Their molecules are closed packed. Its molecules are closed packed. Molecules are closed packed. Okay, they can't be compressed because the inner molecular space between the molecules is least. As a result, solid have a fixed volume and shape. It has a fixed volume and shape. Okay. We can say example: coin, glass, pencil, etc. Okay, they are the example of the. So we can say that this is hard and rigid. This type of substance are hard and rigid, and molecules are closed packed. The molecules, because the matter are made up of molecules. No. Suppose this is a substance. Suppose this is a one. You can say book. Okay, it is a glass. So its molecule is totally closed packed. It's spinning this. Closed packed means the molecules are so near. There is no gap. Okay? There is very less gap. It is spinning up this. Intermolecular. Okay? Like this. The molecules are very close. You can see. Now we'll discuss about liquid. Okay? Liquid are non-rigid substance. That is not rigid. This is non-rigid substance. Non-rigid substance. Having different volume, it has a different volume. Different volume. But not same. But no same. They take shape of vessel. They take shape of vessel where they are pure. Okay? It takes its shape depend on vessels. Okay? Vessels. The molecules are closely arranged and possesses intermolecular space, so they can follow from higher level to lower level. Yeah, they follow from higher level to lower level. Dear students, we So they can follow higher level to lower level. The property is called fluidity. If it flows from higher level to lower level, then this its property is called fluidity. The liquids are not compressible. It is not compressible. Okay. Example, milk, water, and etc. Okay, milk, water, and etc. Okay. Gases. The force of attraction between gas molecules is very less. Force of attraction between molecules is very less. Okay? So they don't have the definite shape and have no fixed volume. It has not definite shape and have no volume. They can be highly compressed. Yeah, they can. They can be highly compressed. Okay, they can be highly compressed. Example: carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, helium, etc. are some examples of gases. Okay, dear student. So this much we have studied about solid, liquid, and gas, and in this way you can write yourself comparison of properties of liquid. Comparison of properties of liquid and gas. You have to compare yourself. Okay, let's discuss that here. Okay, student. So let's see here. Comparison of properties of liquid, solid, liquid, and gas. How we can compare, on which basis we are going to compare it. On the basis of properties we are going to compare. Okay. So first take shape and volume. Okay. Properties. If we see the properties about shape and volume, then what are the comparison of them? See here. Have different shape and volume. Solid has a different shape and volume. Liquids have different volume. It has a different volume, but not same. Okay, not a different same. Do not have different volume and same. Gases not have a different volume and not same. Okay. Now compare compressibility. Okay, compressibility. Incompressible, solid, incompressible. So if you are going to keep solid in a sack, okay, so it is incompressible. It is also incompressible liquid. If one bucket water you have to keep there, so by compressing it, you can't add 1 liter more in that bucket. Okay. But gases is compressible. Just you can take the example of balloon, that balloon. Okay, small wire balloon. We compress more. We can compress more gases. Next property is we are comparing here fluidity. Okay, it can't follow, so it can't follow. But liquid can follow from higher level to lower level. Gases flow in all direction. Gas can follow in all direction. Okay. intermolecular states. We talk the properties related to intermolecular states. It is least means less intermolecular space here, more liquid, more very large intermolecular space. Means the gases there is large intermolecular, very large intermolecular space. Intermolecular force, strongest. Its forces, intermolecular forces, strongest here. Lesser than solid but greater than gases. Liquid intermolecular forces lesser than solid but more than gas, greater than gas. It is weakest. Okay, dear student, this much we talked about the comparison of properties of solid, liquid, and gas. Okay.